Welcome back, everyone, to Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we're diving deep into a sector that's not just growing, it's absolutely exploding, telehealth. Specifically, we're talking about finding the right partners to build those high-performance telehealth products, especially if you're looking at the demanding New York market.
Exploding is right, Jamie. The numbers are staggering. We're looking at the telehealth market projected to hit a whopping $335 billion by 2032. But here's the kicker. Most of that growth and the success stories within it will come from platforms that nail three critical things simultaneously: compliance, seamless EHR integration, and of course, an outstanding patient experience.
Absolutely. Get even one of those wrong, and you're not just looking at a minor setback. We're talking six-figure fines, failed audits, or worse, a product that nobody adopts. And when you factor in New York's healthcare ecosystem, over 230 hospitals, a digital health market worth billions, it's one of the toughest, most demanding places to launch a telehealth product in the world.
That's why finding the right development partner isn't just important. It's the single highest leverage decision a health tech founder or hospital CTO can make. You need someone who breathes HL7/FHIR standards, understands HIPAA infrastructure inside and out, and genuinely grasps the clinical realities of telemedicine.
Exactly. A specialized telemedicine development partner brings so much more to the table than just writing code. They're architecting HIPAA-compliant infrastructure from day one. They're integrating with major EHR systems like Epic and Cerner without disrupting existing clinical workflows. And they're building for concurrency, because a platform that crashes during peak hours is a massive liability.
And let's not forget accessibility for diverse patient populations and navigating that labyrinth of regulations: FDA, HIPAA, HITRUST, state-level rules. The right partner ensures your legal team can actually get some sleep at night.
So, with that in mind, we've been looking at some of the top players, particularly those with a strong presence or specialty for the New York market. For instance, Glorium Technologies, while based in New Jersey, is a powerhouse for full-cycle telehealth platform development, especially with their ISO 13485 medical device certification and even proprietary AI automation. They're built for passing regulatory audits on the first attempt.
That's a huge differentiator. Then you have companies like HTD Health, right there in New York City, focused exclusively on healthcare strategy and engineering for care delivery organizations. They bring that deep clinical domain knowledge alongside technical skill in FHIR ecosystems and cloud data.
And for the big players, DataArt stands out. Headquartered in NYC, they specialize in enterprise-scale healthcare platforms with deep EHR interoperability. We're talking integrating over 10,000 EHR systems and launching hundreds of platforms at enterprise scale. That's for hospital networks dealing with massive patient volumes.
For startups, Archenia, also in New York, is excellent for launching HIPAA-compliant telemedicine MVPs, really tuned into local NYC requirements like Shiny interoperability. And if you're looking for a mobile-first approach with beautiful, engaging UX, Blue Label Labs from Manhattan works with institutions like Cornell and Columbia, focusing on design sprints to ensure patient adoption.
It's all about finding that specific niche. Kanda Software, for example, excels in precision medicine platforms and AI-driven clinical decision support, powering platforms for over 18 million users. Then you have Cleverroad, which is great for end-to-end telehealth SaaS with multi-regulation compliance, useful if you're targeting both US and European markets.
And finally, Transition is a solid choice for large-scale hospital IT integrations. They bring the engineering discipline and domain knowledge to reliably weave telemedicine platforms into existing complex hospital systems. The common thread here is specialization and experience.
Exactly. The gap between a simple video call app and a clinical-grade telehealth platform is enormous. The article really emphasizes that you need to shortlist a few firms, get detailed proposals, and evaluate them on their understanding of your specific clinical workflows and regulatory landscape.
The right partner won't just build your software. They'll help you build a product that earns the trust of the providers and patients who depend on it. It's about a true partnership.
Fantastic insights today, Alex. It's clear that the future of telehealth is bright, but getting there requires strategic choices and development partners.
Absolutely, Jamie. And that's all for this episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. Thanks for tuning in.
We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.